I'm Jason Everett. I'm one of the regional managers here at Amatrol. I'm here today to talk about one of our newest products, our 895 Smart Controls Troubleshooting System. This is equipped with the latest and greatest technology from Rockwell Automation. We have control logics, a modular-based PLC. We have two different types of compact logics, a modular-based L30 compact logics PLC, and then an L16. This system right here takes the place of one of our Epic PLC troubleshooting trainers, the old 890. This is equipped with Fault Pro, so we pull up a software. We can input electronic faults into the system and help students use their troubleshooting skills to think critically to find the faults. We have different types of PLCs, so modular-based PLCs. We do have point I/O used on the L16. We have Ethernet communication right here with a managed switch. We have HMI right here where we do some application editing, an operator station here, some built-in applications over here on this side. So we have temperature control, a PID loop. We also have a motor control application here. We also have a pneumatic control panel down here that's built into the system where we have some proximity switches here, limit switches, photo eyes, pressure switches built into the trainer. So the focus on this trainer can be on PLC troubleshooting, but then it can shift very quickly by just simply connecting these leads from this location down to this location. That activates this terminal strip right here where we can cut wire, strip wire, terminate wire to run these applications over here. The thing that we offered on this system also is the room for expansion. So over here on this side are a couple different expansion panels. We have an I/O link communications panel right here. So these are all the smart sensors for Industry 4.0. We can also add process control. Some other expansion panels that we have that we're not showing right now are variable frequency drive. So we have the Rockwell 525 drive that we can put on a panel. We have smart communications, smart identification. We have full motion control, single axis and two axis, and about 3 or 4 other application panels that we can add on the side. The other thing that we can do with this trainer is we have another drives trainer. It's called the 970 DRV1. It has the Rockwell 755 drive on it, and we can actually wheel that other trainer up here, connect Ethernet cables from that drive to these PLCs and communicate via Ethernet between the two different trainers. This is the trainer that's really going to propel PLC troubleshooting training into the next 10 to 15 years. The latest and greatest Rockwell controls for automation, a built-in troubleshooting system so we can walk the student through troubleshooting skills to identify faults that they would see out in the field, and this really prepares students for jobs of tomorrow.